Hello everyone, welcome back to Town Time. This is your host Donnie, and today we will be unboxing this wireless SteelSeries gaming mouse, this Rival 650 wireless gaming mouse. So purchased this on a Black Friday deal. Wanted to get a wireless gaming mouse to try out, and this has RGB, which is pretty awesome, and it's pretty quick. It has this 2.4 gigahertz lag-free wireless and 12,000 CPI sensitivity, and pretty much all this good stuff here. So let's go ahead and unbox it, see what's inside, and we'll be on our way. So let's see, it came with this nice plastic cover here to keep the box nice and new. So this is what the front of the box looks like. It's dual sensor technology, TrueMove for SteelSeries. This is the back. The side with some specifications, bottom, and the top. Alright, let's open it up and see what's in the box. Alright, so this has that little tab there, so give me a moment here while I open it up nice and clean. All right. Okay, upon removing it from the case, you see a little advertisement here. Not advertisement, but looks like their mission statement, which is cool. All black box around. SteelSeries Rival 650 wireless on top. And then you would open it this way. Wow, pretty nice. When you open it, you'll see the instructions here. The mouse is nicely held in place in this plastic container here. You got your instruction book in the sleeve. So that's everything in there. So you have the mouse itself. Here's the RGB lights, your wheel, button, programmable buttons on the side, your sync button, and I believe you would add the weights on the sides here. It's magnetic, so if you want your mouse to be a little bit heavier, you would add the weights here. Magnetic, which is really awesome. So there's nothing underneath this, but then here's probably your accessories here. This feels like it's the weights in here, and you have your cable, so you can use this cable, which is micro USB, which I wish that they use a USB-C, but maybe when they refresh it to USB-A. Then this is your weight here. So let me try to open this up to show you guys. Oh, actually, this is the wireless USB device. It will hook on your computer to connect to the mouse. Hey guys, so I just want to add this little part in the video that I didn't do on previous unboxing. So the transmitter is actually pretty small. It's this small, the 2.4 gigahertz transmitter for the mouse. So it comes with this little device here, which is pretty cool. So if you don't want to put this behind your computer, or it's far away and your signal isn't that great, what you can do is leave the transmitter in this little case here, and then there's this cable that comes with the box or the packaging or the unit, where you could actually plug this behind the computer, and then you could use this micro USB to plug into, let's see, it goes this way, plug into this so that the transmitter could be set on your desk so it's closer to your mouse if you don't have a USB hub. So that's a pretty cool feature for this mouse, that it comes with this extender, and this also doubles up to recharge your mouse as well. So yeah, wanted to add that into the video when I was playing around hooking it up. So pretty cool. So you don't really need this unless you want the connection to be closer to your mouse, but if you have a hub already, you can hook this on your hub on your desk, and you probably don't need this. But if you don't, then you have that option with this cable. Hook this in the back of your computer, then pop that on the desk. And then this is your weights here. 4G blocks, 4 grams. So depending on your preference, you could put some weights on your mouse. Again, pop out the side here. It's all magnetic, so you don't need tools or anything. And then let's see how the weights will sit. Well, I gotta read the instructions, but it's probably gonna sit something like that. Oh, actually, you know what? I should read the instructions first, but actually, looking at the mouse, you can see here that it just pretty much pops on here, and the rubber material here holds it up, and then you just pop it on, and then the mouse will feel a little bit heavier. So that's pretty cool. I like how it's toolless. You don't have to, unscrew anything. You can just pop it on with a magnetic, this magnetic enclosure, and just put the piece on there. So it comes with 8 of them. So you could put 4 on each side to weigh it down, however you like. But it comes in a nice little rubberized case here. So that's it, guys. That's pretty much everything in the box here that you see. Mouse is really well made. Can't wait to see the RGB lighting on here. Then you got your connector up here where you would charge, and I think I'm not sure, I will have to check, but I think you could use the cable and have it charge while you're using it as well. So it's pretty nice. Right now, without the weights, it's really light. There's your sensor, and this is probably to power on and off. Then you got your connect button right here. So that's everything in the box, and this is a right hand mouse too. Very beautiful craftsmanship. Steel case. SteelSeries make lots of good stuff. They make great keyboards, mouse, and pretty much gaming gear. So I also want to let you guys know that this cable here, right? This cable that you could use as a dongle for the wireless 2.4. If you decide to use this mouse wired, you have that option too. You just use the same wire that SteelSeries provided, and that port here, you pretty much just plug it in here. So they made the wire head here perfect for the mouse. So you don't have to use it as a wireless mouse, although you have that option. You could also use it as a wired mouse. So this cable is a charge cable for your mouse, and it also acts as a regular cable to just, to just charge, not to just charge your mouse, but to use your mouse as well. So I'm going to plug this into my laptop, but I need to use an adapter since this laptop's USB-C only. So once you plug it in, this signifies that the mouse is being charged. But if you want to use the mouse when the battery's dead, you still can use it, or you can use it as a wired mouse function without the receiver. You just need to turn it on, and as you can see, wow, the RGB is beautiful, beautiful. You see it here, 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 and on the mouse wheel. And as you can see on my laptop, I just powered this on for the first time, and you can still use it as a mouse without the wireless dongle. So you have the option to use wireless or wired on the mouse, which is awesome. Some manufacturer, if it's wireless, it's just wireless only, and you have to use the wireless dongle for the mouse to communicate. But SteelSeries really did a good job on making sure that, hey, you know what? If you choose not to use a wireless function on the mouse, just plug it straight in and it still works. And as you can see here, it's perfect. Look at that. So kudos for SteelSeries for thinking about that. And I just love the RGB. If you download the SteelSeries engine, it comes with a companion software. You could control the lighting on this mouse to match the lighting to your rig, or you could set a different color, or pretty much fully customize the RGB as well. So that's pretty awesome. So this is what it looks like with it powered on for the first time. So I like that option that you could also use it as a wired mouse without the wireless dongle. Pretty awesome. I love the RGB. So yeah, guys. So this has been an unboxing of this SteelSeries Rival 650 mouse. I'll put the link to the products below and some information about it, some technical details in the description below. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, peace out and have a good day.